Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook carne asada on the grill. First, selecting the right cut of beef is crucial. Skirt or flank steak works wonderfully. The secret to tender, flavorful carne asada truly lies in the marinade. You should marinate your steak for at least 2 hours or even overnight to allow those delicious flavors to fully penetrate the meat. A good marinade typically includes citrus, oil, and a blend of spices. Once your steak is perfectly marinated, it is time to hit the grill. Make sure your grill is preheated to a high temperature, ideally around 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This high heat is essential for achieving that beautiful sear and delicious crust. You will want to sear the steak for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. This quick, intense heat locks in the juices and creates a fantastic caramelized exterior. Knowing when your carne asada is perfectly cooked is key. For a delicious medium rare, aim for an internal temperature of 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Always use a reliable meat thermometer to ensure accuracy. After grilling, it is absolutely crucial to rest the steak. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, resulting in a much more tender and flavorful bite. The final step is all about presentation and maximizing tenderness. Always slice your carne asada against the grain. This shortens the muscle fibers, making each bite incredibly tender and easy to chew. Cut the steak into thin, bite-sized pieces, which are perfect for filling tacos, burritos, or serving as a main dish. Serve your delicious carne asada immediately with your favorite fresh accompaniments, like salsa or guacamole.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.